Hey Sunny family, what's up? Welcome back. It's your Sunny trainer Sydney, and today I have a 5-minute stretch series for you guys. So this is just a quick little routine, so whether you need a break in your day from your work, you need a little stretching to do after your workout, or you're just in the mood for a nice little stretch, this is the workout for you. All right, so we're gonna start with a forward fold, nice and easy. Just bend forward and reach for those toes. Straighten out those knees, and let's try to keep that back straight as well as we're reaching for that floor. Should feel that right in your hamstrings, maybe your calves a little bit as well. Feel free to rock back and forth a little bit if that feels good to you. And keep breathing nice and easy, and with each breath, try to get deeper into that stretch. Feel free to hold for your knees, your ankles, or your toes if you can reach. Any of those are fine. Wherever you're at today, just reach as far as you can. One last deep breath. We're gonna roll it on up. Awesome job. We're gonna go right back down and we're gonna walk it out into a downward dog. All right. So back is straight, chest is reaching for the floor, pressing through those hands, and we're pressing into those heels as well, trying to get a good stretch on our calves. Now, as we're here in this position, feel free to walk out those calves so you can focus your stretch on each calf. Keep breathing. As you hold this pose, try to get that chest deeper towards the floor. Stretching out that upper body as well as our legs. Nice big deep breath. And we're gonna bring it on down. Awesome job, you guys. All right, for our next stretch, we're gonna take a little hip flexor stretch. So bring that left leg forward. We're gonna squeeze our right glute in the back, tighten up our core to get that nice good stretch in the front of that right leg, your hip flexor area. Rather than trying to go deep into that stretch like that, try to stay up here. Squeeze that glute, you're gonna feel that stretch a lot more. Breathe it out. Great job. All right, we're gonna stretch back into a little hamstring stretch on our left leg here. So now focused on our other leg. We're gonna try to keep that leg straight, toe pointed up to the sky, and let's try to keep our back straight as well as we lean forward to reach for that toe. If you can't reach your toe today, that's okay, just go as far as you can. Once you can feel that good stretch in your hamstring, you know that you're doing it right. Breathe through it. All right, let's switch over to the other side. So right leg comes forward. Let's get into a little hip flexor stretch once again. This time we're focused on our left hip flexor, the leg that is back, squeezing that left glute, bringing those hips forward, feeling that nice good stretch in that hip flexor. Ooh, baby, does it feel good. Keep going, come on, you've got it. I know it can be a little uncomfortable. Find that space that challenges you, stick with it. All right, let's push back into that hamstring stretch on the right leg now. Square off those hips, nice and straight leg, toe pointed to sky, back straight as well. Feel that hamstring release as we hold this pose. Try to get deeper into it with each breath. All right, slowly roll up and out of that. We're gonna come back to our knees, bring those knees apart, and we're gonna come down into a nice child's pose. So knees are apart, hands come straight forward, and chest is pressed towards that floor. Reach with those fingertips for the wall in front of you as far as you can. Let's stretch out that body. And let's walk it out to the right side. Getting a nice stretch in our side on that left side. So feel that in those left oblique muscles. Keep breathing. Nice and easy, relax in this position. Let's walk it on over to the other side. Nice and gentle. And bring it back to center. Let's hang out here for another few seconds. Try to deepen that stretch and reach even further for that wall than you did before. See if you can bring your chest closer to the ground. All right, and when you're ready, let's slowly roll it on up. Awesome job today, you guys. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, feel free to repeat this video 2 to 3 times. It would feel even better. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you guys next time.